Okay, pupils, we are on this year 3 Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 20. We are on module 3, so this is our world. Activity 1, look and match. So we have 5 silhouettes illustrations here. So as you can see, number 1, so she is doing gymnastics. So we have this number 1. You should draw a line to D. So I draw a line here. Number 1 goes to D, so doing gymnastics. And then number 2, we have this one. She's playing basketball. So number 2 goes to E. And number 3, so this boy is skateboarding. And then number 4, so this is a ping pong table or table tennis table. So they are playing table tennis. So please don't confuse tennis with table tennis. So table tennis, we have table here, while tennis doesn't have table. So they have a court basically. So number 5, so this boy is exercising. So next, we move on to activity 2. So look and write. So give an example. Number 1, playing baseball. So obviously this is a wrong statement. You need to correct it using the phrases here for the part 2. So playing basketball. So there you go. May. So this term here or this word here is a singular noun. So you need to use the verb to be is. So is, because this is not the correct statement. So you need to add not here. So in the contraction form, it's called isn't. So May isn't playing baseball. Full stop. So maybe I maximize it a bit. And then the correct form is she's. So she is, because May is a female, a girl, so you need to use she. So she's playing basketball. So this is the correct form. So the first part is a wrong one, wrong statement. So you need to correct it using the second part here. So number 2, so there, because more than one person, so there, this is a plural pronoun, so you use are. And then this is a wrong statement, you add an apostrophe T. So they aren't doing gymnastics. So gymnastics. So sticks, we have S here, and then full stop. And then the correct one, so there, so I write in full form rather than there. So they are, skateboarding. So skateboarding. So remember to put a full stop here. And then number 3, playing tennis, playing table tennis. So just now I mentioned, these are 2 different sports here. So Robbie, so maybe just focus on one person. So Robbie isn't playing tennis. So tennis, we have double N, tennis, and then the correct term. So Robbie is a boy, so he is playing table tennis called a ping pong. And then we have number 4, exercising, sleeping. So Ben. So this is a singular noun. So you use is and then an apostrophe T. So Ben isn't exercising. So Ben is a boy, so you use he. So he is sleeping. So double E P I N G. So that's it for this page. So we have this page 20 finished. So this is Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the rated contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.